Mr. Faiz Pardesi to please present the award to Ahmed Shehzad. Right then, Ms. Naila Bhatti to present the next award, the HBL PSL Man of the Match Trophy. So this is a welcome break for you and back to where you want to be.
सबसे पहले अस्सलाम वालेकुम आपको. Yes, I mean, I wasn't just hitting the ball as much as I was expecting from myself from last a month or so, but I was trying hard, and I want to thank my family who has always supported me, all my goods and bads, and I want to thank this team as well, the way they boost me up, and the management here, and we just trying to enjoy ourselves and play positive cricket, and the credit goes to the team, I guess, the way we bowled here and the way as a team we playing. This is the key.
What turned it around for you in this innings?
Nothing. I was just backing myself. Whenever I go in, I never feel lethargic. I always want to score runs, but it was just I was just hitting the fielders too oftenly. But this inning, God has been very kind. I was just finding the gaps and back myself again. So yes, it's cricket. It happens. You sometimes you score runs, and sometimes the time comes you have to battle hard within yourself. So yes, I was always working hard. I was committed. I knew I backed myself, and that wasn't the first time that I wasn't scoring runs in few games. So I knew that how to just come out of it, and it's just a beginning. I just want to work hard for the next games and make the most out of this tournament.
Must have been a good experience, a good feeling to bat alongside Kevin Pietersen.
Yeah, he's a wonderful player, and his appearance in dressing room, I'm sure the guys learning a lot from him, and he's a wonderful guy himself. We've never not to forget the Viv Richards as well. I myself learning a lot from him. Moin bhai, we all that we've getting what we want as a side, and they're supporting everybody. We making sure that we enjoy our cricket, enjoy this league, and entertain the crowd.
That opening partnership really did work well with Luke Wright.
Luke is a wonderful guy himself, and he's a good team man, and the way he's playing at the moment, he looks like he's very familiar from these conditions, and he need to bat well. We all need to bat well because it's just the beginning of the tournament. In the end, you never know what happens, so we just keep up the good work. We just need to keep up the good work and play game by game.
I'm sure you'll keep up the good work. You're off the mark in this HBL PSL. Well done tonight.
I want to thank you as well, because you've been very kind, and you've been helping me out whenever all my bad time. I've been having good classes from you as well, and it works. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Emma. Thanks for your comment. Great tonight.
Yeah, it's not, and I would like to give credit the way Ahmed Shehzad batted at. It's great to see he's back in form, and look right. They started really well, and yes, we have some flaws in our team, and we're gonna sit, we talk about it, and we'll come back hard and with some solutions.
Absolutely, I'm sure you'll do that. But it's a hard game, T20 cricket, up one day and you can be down the very next moment. Tough really to look at where you are with regard to tournament, with regard to form, isn't it?
That's right, but I think when you're professional, obviously you have seen ups and downs, and how you come back the next day, that's what matters in my opinion. And I think we all professional, and it's a matter of just one game. Tomorrow is a new day, and we will come back with something new, and obviously we're playing against Islamabad tomorrow. And we're gonna sit. We're gonna talk about it, and I'm sure we will come with some great ideas.
Absolutely. Now the recovery plan did work when you were batting, and so you got to the highest total of the HBL PSL. What happened with the ball then?
what I've learned and seen, if you're batting second in the first game, wicket becomes a little better. And if you're batting first, obviously conditions are a bit tough for batters, and obviously it's on a slower side if you're batting first. I think bowlers have slightly extra edge if they're bowling first, but no doubt, as I said, they batted brilliantly, especially Ahmed Shahzad and Luke Wright.
All right, okay, I have a better one next time, Shoaib. Shoaib Malik, now to the winning captain. अनवर अली से भी मेरी सुबह बात हो रही थी, वो कह रहे हैं हम एक दूसरे के साथ खेलते रहे, तो उससे जो बॉन्डिंग जो अभी हो रही है बाकी टीम्स में, उसकी आपको ज़रूरत नहीं ऑलरेडी, और आपकी परफॉर्मेंस में वो झलकती है।
हाँ जी रमीज भाई, देखिए जब हमने टीम बनाई थी तो ऑलमोस्ट वही लड़के हैं जो हम लोग साल रमज़ान क्रिकेट वगैरह में खेलते हैं, तो हमने कोशिश की थी कि तो हमें ये एडवांटेज था कि हमारी बॉन्डिंग जल्दी हो जाएगी। तो आई थिंक ये कि लड़के जिस तरह जल हैं और इस तरह टीम मैनेजमेंट लड़कों पे काम करी है बहुत सारा घुल मिल के, तो आई थिंक उसका रिजल्ट ग्राउंड में भी आ रहा है।
टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या था सरफराज कि मैच आपकी गिरफ्त से निकला ही नहीं?
मेरे ख्याल से जिस तरह हमारे बॉलर्स ने बॉलिंग की, जिस तरह बीच में नवाज और नबी ने जो स्पेल किया बीच में, आई थिंक वहाँ बड़ा टर्निंग पॉइंट था। और उसके बाद जिस तरह हमारे पहले 6 ओवर में विकेट नहीं गिरी, तो हमें होपफुल थी कि हमारे पास विकेट हैं, और जिस तरह 9वां और 10वां ओवर जिस तरह 15 ओवर का लगा, तो वो मैच का टर्निंग पॉइंट था। वहाँ से हमारे हाथ से मैच निकला नहीं।
अच्छा, फ्रॉम कैप्टनसी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आपको क्या पसंद है कि पहले 6 ओवर्स में विकेट ना गिरे, या आपके बॉलर्स विकेट लें?
देखें, बॉलिंग के लिहाज से तो देखिए अगर पहले 6 ओवर में 2-3 विकेट आपको मिल जाए तो आप मैच में ऊपर आ जाते हो। और जिस तरह बैटिंग में हमारी स्ट्रेटेजी बनी हुई है कि हमारी कोशिश है कि अगर विकेट इन हैंड रहेंगे, अगर 50 रन भी हमारे 40 रन भी बनते हैं और विकेट हमारे हाथ में, तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है।
तो प्रेफर किसको करते हैं?
प्रेफर जो करूँगा कि अगर हमारी बैटिंग हो पहली, तो हमारी विकेट ना गिरे 6 ओवर में।
ओके ओके, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और वेल प्लेड टुडे।
थैंक यू रमेश भाई, थैंक यू।
So that is what we have from the presentation out here. Gladiators with a massive win against Karachi Kings.
And that really was an all-round performance by Quetta Gladiators. But we're going to take a short break, and after the break, there's lots more to follow, so stay tuned.